All right, guys, it's that time of the week again. It's Friday afternoon, about to head out for another amazing CrossFit Level 1 seminar this weekend in Orlando, Florida. Orlando.
Don't sing. Nobody wants to hear you sing, babe.
People love when I sing. Big feedback. But anyway, I got a lot of awesome feedback, questions, responses. Last time I posted what I take with me for the weekend, so I wanted to hit you up again. You seen me, Roz?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, first of all, never leave home without a nice, warm cup of joe, second cup of the day. Been trying to limit myself to 2 a day, and I've been really good about it. Thank you for making me this, babe. All right, let me see what order I want to put this stuff in.
Banana does not go on the bottom.
Banana doesn't
Heads
go.
up.
How about oatmeal on the bottom?
Yeah, I think that's
All right,
good.
so I've already pre-weighed out 50 grams of oatmeal and 5 grams of chia seeds per Tupperware. You impressed, Roz?
Very impressed.
Yeah,
Look
that
at
was
you.
when you were like, what'd you do all day?
Well, I bought you those other sachets specifically. So you
Oh, I thought those were yours.
To make life easier for you, but I'm impressed that you're doing that.
Sometimes those packets and the ones that are in a cup explode.
Yeah, you can't always rely on there being a good bowl at whatever
Exactly.
hotel you're going to.
Snickerdoodle, Lenny and Larry's. Thanks, Mom, for buying me these. There's 3 in here because I opened them last night, but I'll probably come home with 1 still. I usually have like 1 a day.
What's your tip on those?
The tip?
Well, I mean, you gotta be careful with the serving size on there, right?
Well, you know, it's funny. The first time I ever had one of these, I was at CrossFit J-Town. He's like, try one of these. I did. And I was like, dude, there's only 1. It says 2 servings.
Yeah, right.
And then I was like, oh, it's a half. But you plan your day. I always have a full cookie.
Yeah, don't plan on only having half
Yeah,
a cookie.
I've never done that. It's always a whole or none. I love Snickerdoodle, and my new favorite, white chocolate macadamia.
That's the best.
That's actually higher in macros a little bit, but
It's also the best Subway cookie, FYI.
well, it's really good. It's really, I mean, honestly, these macros are about the same as a regular cookie with just a little bit of protein.
Right.
You feel a little healthier eating them. You saw this last time. Some Crystal Light just helps me drink water. Lately, I've been drinking like 3 gallons a day. I know it's crazy. How many times do I pee at night, dude?
So many.
So many, but
So many I can't keep count.
high quality H2O. All right, coming to the fridge. Let's see. So, I measured out 6 ounces of baby carrots. That's for today. Measured out 170 grams of raspberries. Want to see them?
What? When did you get raspberries?
I told you I went to Publix today.
Oh. But
That's
you never buy me
I
raspberries.
needed a, there's another pack in there. You're buy one, get one free at Publix if you live in Florida. What else are we taking? Because I measured that.
Those raspberries are expensive berries, by the way.
2 for $6 today.
That's good.
So, I love these lately. I'm not taking any, but these
Fagé.
with some granola.
Those are my fave.
So I'm taking my 3 Fias meals. Fias rocks. If you don't order these regularly, you should be. Yeah, because I'm having 1 tonight, 1 on Saturday and Sunday for lunch, post lunchtime workout. We're gonna whoop Todd's ass. All right, so 3 Fias meals. We got loaded wet pork burrito, awesome. Spinach and chicken cauliflower.
Have a look at that. Let's have a look. This is so yummy, this one. It's, what is it, spinach and cauliflower pizza?
Yeah, super sealed tight. They taste delicious.
Yeah, vacuum packed.
We've let them go like 2 weeks in the past, and they're still good. Athlete sausage, peppers, and onions, because I'm
Let's
an
see what that
athlete.
looks like. Ooh, that looks good.
That's gonna be. Look at that. How much protein? 36
Okay.
grams protein, 55 carb, 13 fat. So I'm gonna
Nice.
pack these things. Maybe do a quick reshuffle.
We're cooling down the rest of the house right now.
Yeah, sorry about that. All right, what else we gotta do?
Isn't that in an advert right now?
I think that's all I'm taking out of the fridge right now.
What about your moussaka I made you?
Oh shit, what's that? Both.
Top.
If you don't, did you post this on the site?
Yeah, there's a recipe on our blog.
Probably only for members, but that's a good reason to check it out. Turkey moussaka. This is delicious. What am I gonna take? 1 or 2? I'll take 2 just in case. I can always bring it back. All right, so I'm gonna take those, and I think that's all that I needed out of here. I'm gonna do a little reshuffle because you know I'm OCD. Although when I
You know that I'm gonna
I
reorganize
was
that
gonna
the
say, by the
minute you
time I
leave
get
the
home.
house.
Oh, babe, we need more of this.
Oh.
Low sugar Heinz.
Yeah, well the macros.
It's like
Like
1 carb for 16 grams. I always put 8 on my sandwiches.
sugar in it.
Yeah, so There you go. Good. A couple other little things. Peeps. I take these just in case I need some carbs by the end of the day. A banana. Jacqueline, tea cakes. Thank
I
you
like
very
it where
much.
you held those right then.
Tea cakes. Taking some honey twists. We've had this in the house for how long?
Probably a year and a half.
Yeah, but
They're probably stale.
I've been.
Carry on where you left off.
So we've had these in for a while, but I've just recently upped my carbohydrates and I need some carbs. So that's why I did that. And then my travel scale. All this is gonna go in there. Let me not forget a
Ice pack.
pack of ice. So if you have any questions about this, I'll probably post it in a few places. Reach out. Probably the best thing to do is always email us, contact@ownyoureating.com. I can tell you all about how I've added more carbs, dropping weight, enjoying life, hitting the road. Have a great weekend.